There are two things that hold us back the most in life. And if you can fix those two things, if you can fix your mindset, you will change your life for good. This video will help you get into the mindset that you need. I don't care who you believe in, but this video is supposed to help you believe in yourself. The number one reason people don't succeed in life is not having their goals, their purpose written down, whether it's on a piece of paper or on their phone. You need to have reminders of your goals and purpose every day. You need to look over them every single day so you are making sure your days, your work are aligning with what you're supposed to be doing every single day so your purpose can come true. It's the best way to stay consistent. The majority of us don't remember what we ate yesterday. How will you remember what you plan today to do tomorrow? You need to have them written down. Life can sometimes distract us from our true goals and purpose with pointless distractions like apps in our phones, the bills, gossips, games, and everyday living. The problem is you've been playing on the defense this whole time, but it's time you go on attack mode. It's time you hit life back hard. Much harder than you ever hit it before. You need to start hitting life consistently. Don't let that bastard breathe. Do not give it time to relax. You need to break it before it breaks you. Unfortunately, some of you already broken. You've given up, but I'm here to tell you that as human, we all have this ability to get up and dust ourselves up. And we can use our past experiences to blaze through part of the trail. As humans, we all have this ability to change our lives in just a few days to a few years with a newfound mindset. The next reason why we get held back is we tend to seek happiness. As adults, we tend to give in to our kid side of our brain because we feel sorry for the things we couldn't do as kids or the bad things that happened to us as kids. But the problem is all of that contradicts happiness. If you want happiness in life, I will tell you how to get it, but you won't like it. It's progress. Focus on pure discipline. Whether it's pure hatred, pure anger, or pure love in your heart, use that to motivate your discipline. Make as much progress as you can towards your goal, and you will become significantly happier. The minute you start being negative, the minute you start complaining, you start making excuses for yourself, you get a lot sadder. There is no happiness in stagnation. So a lot of times we keep ourselves sad by bathing in the sadness itself. So the minute you start picking up different little things, it doesn't have to be big. Just do a little progress, whether it's cleaning your room or, cook something or start drawing something. It does not matter. Whatever your hobbies were, if you drop them, pick them up. If you don't have any hobbies, pick a new hobbies. Hit the gym, do whatever is necessary to start seeing progress. And trust me, you will get happiness as a byproduct of all these progresses you're making in life. Many things became so much easier for me because of all the trials and tribulations I've gone through, and I've conquered them successfully. Whether I lost an eye or a teeth or an arm in the battle, I came out successfully, and I came out with more knowledge than yesterday. And with that knowledge, I go into the next battle that's way bigger, way more rewarding, because I had that knowledge from the past, those trials and tribulations. So I said all this to say, you are the only one who's capable of making you happy. I need you to make that connection and commit to a life of discipline. Don't seek happiness or you'll end up chasing the path of least resistance. That means the drinking, the drugs, the gaming, the TV, all the instant gratifications, instead of focusing on your goals. So if you seek discipline and focus on your goals, whether you're happy, sad, whatever you're feeling, you just focus on your goals, you'll become so much happier by the byproduct of all the progress you've made in life. Listen, if you want it bad enough, you will find a way. But if you don't, you will find excuses. I refuse to stop for anything or anyone, whether it's men or life. I will conquer it and stand at the pinnacle of human history. I refuse to be ruled by my circumstances. If you don't feel the same way, then I'm sorry, my friend. You need to get your brain, your mind under control. Because in life, it's the only thing you can control and need to control. So here are the things you really need to do on a daily basis. Meditate, journal to yourself, practice appreciation. I want you to appreciate yourself for staying out of trouble for most of the time. I want you to appreciate you getting this far in life. Trust me, a lot happened and a lot of people didn't get this far in life. And most importantly, I want you to live in the present so you can start taking action. And remember, stay consistent and stay disciplined. And subscribe, you bastards.